Okay, another one. Senior high school teachers po. Senior high school teachers together with Ma'am Susan and our guest speaker, Ma'am Gina. Sam, napay isa sa senior high school teachers. Senior high school teachers. Ma'am Sue, senior high school mom. Okay, senior high school teachers po. Dito po tayo. Okay. Senior high school teachers. Together with the MPs, our department heads. Sir George. Okay, again po, basura natin, dalhin natin please, because we'll be having the completion ceremony po this afternoon at 12. Kindly